My name is Jake Egan, and I'm the Senior Manager of the Consulting Services team at STORIS. I've been with the company for 14 years. Change management is one of the most crucial parts of every implementation because change is something that's really hard. It's really unnatural for most people because they get comfortable in the processes that they're familiar with, and they've probably been using the tools that they've been using for several years. And so the important thing is getting them excited for change and showing them how STORIS and our tools and our processes and our people can help make their lives easier. And so we help them embrace change by showing them how these tools are going to benefit their everyday life. The first phase of every implementation is initiation. And in that phase, we have our turnover from our sales team to my implementations team. The project manager gets assigned, and that person is going to be the leader of the implementation from STORIS. And they'll be managing a team that supports them that covers things like data conversions, companion technologies, and integrations. The second phase of every implementation is transformation. And it's during this time that your STORIS project manager is going to really dig in and learn about your processes and all of your goals and wants and needs and transform them into what will be your future state processes and ultimately your standard operating procedures for how you run your business on STORIS. Also at the forefront of the transformation phase is training and learning. STORIS has a great learning management tool we call STORIS Academy. That's chock full of classes and different topics that you can learn all about. And we establish a core foundation of knowledge by using this tool combined with your project manager's expertise and knowledge of best practices that they've developed throughout the years of implementing clients of all shapes and sizes. One of the pillars of success in every implementation is data conversions. Having data integrity is very important for the transition to STORIS. So we really focus on getting those kicked off strong in this phase. So we take the data from your current system, we clean it up, we get it into our format, make sure it has integrity, and we use that to build out STORIS to match all of your product SKUs, your vendors, your customers, bring in your history of your sales and performance, as well as all of your open transactions that are crucial to have a successful cutover. The third and final phase is go live. And this is the culmination of all the efforts and hard work that we put together as one project team to see it all through and get you that return on your investment. One of the key steps in the go live phase as we plan for the cutover is to make sure that we do what we call a mock go live. And in that process, we do essentially a dress rehearsal for what the cutover looks like for importing data, for open transactions, and for having users exercise all of their daily processes and make sure everything is going to flow as well as possible. So when it's finally time for the big day to go live, STORIS has an in-person presence. We're there with you on site. We have people in your corporate office, your key stores, your DCs, working together with all of your staff who've put in all the hard work to get to that point. We're there to support you so you don't have to go at it alone, and to celebrate the success of getting to that point as one team.